You want to try my chocolate salty balls?
Should I eat it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
They're intense.
It's heavenly.
So it's Friday, and Friday is like my treat binge night. Today I'm making salted peanut butter truffles. This is a recipe from Livia's Kitchen. These puppies are vegan, but they are trays expensive. Oh, someone's messaging me. So these are gonna be truffles made out of like peanut butter and oat flour as like the base, and then it's gonna be coated in some chocolate, and then it's gonna be dipped in like a topping. Most of the stuff in this recipe is not too expensive, with the exception of the maple syrup, which obviously being Canadian is a staple in this household. 130 mils of maple syrup for the base of the chocolate and 160 mils for the coating. And if you ever buy maple syrup, you will know that is expensive. I'm just gonna do 200 mils of maple syrup and call it a day. So you're basically gonna just combine all the stuff, roll it together, put it in the freezer so it firms up, and then make the chocolate, and then put the balls in the chocolate, and then put the stuff on the balls. It's pretty simple, right?
Perfect. They're quite heavy. You wouldn't want to eat too many. They're delicious. Delish.
Yeah, so these are pretty good. Although I have to say, if you're not a big fan of dark chocolate, you might not like these. Instead of calling them salted peanut butter and chocolate truffles, what are they called? Instead of calling them peanut butter truffles, I would definitely call them chocolate salty balls.
Hey, everybody haven't seen my balls. They're big and salty and brown.
Because that is really what they are. They are delicious. They are really intense. Peanut butter is not a very prominent flavor in this. But all in all, this was pretty easy. The only thing that was complicated was me setting up the camera equipment. I would definitely recommend making these. One of the easier desserts I've made in a while. And that's it for me. Bye guys. Peace.
Ooh, suck on my chocolate salted ball.